Like, I don't even know. Ah! Waiting man do man, waiting man do man. Like, who does this thing? Who does this thing? Just to go print too. Just to go print, like person they wear clothes like saying they go church. You see the way I dress, eh? You no go believe. Come on, forget it to say Nigeria. Nigeria good though, I tell you. You just be say the government, our leaders they never won't get sense. This one is no longer ignorance. This is madness. It's expressing itself in all ramifications. And I tell you, like who in the right mind go won't come this kind of place with cold won't keep it in. And I tell you, not be say we Africans we feel survive anywhere. Forget, even for polar region, for the North Pole, we go still survive. But car, just to go printing place, I need to search for Google, print shop near me. Where have you go print? Yeah. I know reason say if I dey go find in quote greener pasture, I go dey wear hand glove. See hand glove like say I be scuba. I say I dey drive machine. Car. Like actually no to be honest, like I actually miss Nigeria. Like I miss my home. I miss like having to wear slippers just to go and buy something. Because for here now, if you want to buy, let's say if you want to go supermarket or something, if you want to buy what do they call it? Anything, bread or milk or Bonvita or McLean, any of all those sugar, you go just step outside like this. If you don't look front for junction, you don't see mama with umbrella or person will get kiosk or something, one small counter. You don't enter, purchase what you want buy. But for here you go dress, you go even put tie. You go dress up like this, like say now one kind business meeting where they go enter. Wear clothes, wear shoe, put socks, wear belt if your trousers they go down. Come on. This thing will come on now, cold won't enter my ear. So you go wear all these kind of things just to go buy something. Car. Then who does this thing? See, like the question I keep asking, like, because you know it's not enough to keep spraying out our problems and issues that we have as a people. What is the way forward? Like, what is the way forward? Nobody in his right senses will leave the tropics and come to this North Pole, this supposed land of freedom, to come make coal killer. No, think about it. Is it wise? This now afternoon be this, so everywhere come be like say na early more. Like say now like 7 a.m. or something. I don't understand. If you no get car, yeah, your body go tell you. I don't dey work out for like almost 2 hours now. Because all the places where I go print, you know, be the print for there now. Just frame it. I've been waiting in the color. I just go find where I go print normal, like A4. Yes, I know the basket my boundaries. Okay, come up with this. Okay, close. So I tell you, come with like I actually miss like having to walk to certain places, buy certain things, do certain things without having to. For here now, if you want to come out, gas plan, gas prepare. Like, gas set up your mind, say, okay, we'll see where they go. If not, if you just stand up like this, say you want to go do something, it will shock you. Because that 15 minutes where they see, say, Google Map, they tell you, say, na 15 minutes walk, your mind will tell you. Especially for this kind of weather, if you don't know some kind of locations, you go walk. And who does that? Who does that? Forget say some things no they work. Nigeria sweet. You know, if you minus the foolish government, minus some kind, because to be honest, we can actually make the right choice. We can actually make the right choice. It's just that we have allowed ourselves to be manipulated by the same foolishness that we are fighting. You understand? We have allowed ourselves to be manipulated by our differences rather than come together and see our similarities, our commonalities. Like, our similarities are way higher than our differences. If we even have any difference. If we have any differences, who told us that we have differences? It's not the colonizers. Who told you that you are from Ghana? Africa is one big landmass with people that were civilized already, and these so-called people said they brought civilization. God, I beg. God, I beg. Only Africa is the only continent that is not benefiting from the natural resource or anything. As in, the so-called outside world they are the ones benefiting from all the wrongs that are just happening in Africa. See, you will not understand. You know, say now when you come out from Africa, when you come out, begin day outside of Africa, now you go to see our issues. You go see, the only thing we go just they talk now. I tell you, the only thing we go just talk now. Like, you know, because what you want to talk? See, for here, they don't talk about anything where they move from another place. Now only their issues they won't solve. But for Nigeria, you go to hear this one, they quarrel with other countries, they quarrel with people who quarrel with. Instead of us to look at our issues, solve them, I'm hungry. Crossroad. I literally miss like going to buy food for fast food joints. I tell you, like, because to come they cook, especially if you go school like me, say you won't go cook if you come back from class, or say you go tired, they tell you, and for you to buy something, it don't even make sense. Say you go to buy food every time, but when you go just finish, I tell you, the brokenness that is waiting for you dey front. Except say you get money, kudos to who has money. Because me, I go like plant that kind of seed. I go like plant that kind of seed for my backyard. So that if anything finish like this, I go just go pluck the currency. You use them, they buy things. dey stock for house. But omo, if you know say dey manage yourself, see for here you no fit just na for here I know say a hungry man is an angry man. I dey tell you, you go just dey vex. You go just dey vex. I dey tell you. Things wey I miss plenty. Like for here, na for here I start dey put wetin dey call am? I start dey put food inside freezer. No, not be say for Naija we no dey put this thing, no dey put soup. Like my mama now, she go cook soup, put inside freezer. That one makes sense. Stew you get, so that you know it go last for like 1 week, 2 weeks, that kind of thing. But for here, you know say me I dey rent now for room. You no fit leave your food inside pot o. Say you wan leave food inside pot. Anything wey you dey cook, once you just cook and finish, you go put am inside plate or any of this Ziploc bag, put am inside freezer. Vegetable freezer, everything freezer. That's the everything what I want to do now to go warm everything. I will just go to warm food. I go the the one will shock me now when if I won't go bath. The way why I take bath for my house for Kaduna and here they different too. For here, my soap and my sponge inside my room. You go pull mat for ground because water no supposed to touch tiles. I say never understand that. See, Africa must be great too. We like this now. We go be the change maker. In fact, change is happening now. People should be wise. We need wise people. Election will come now. Person go do rubbish. Yeah. Anybody will do nonsense again. Thunder from east, west, north, and south will fire you. There you go today. I just dey shout, I just dey rant. Una no vex, una enjoy the video. Una take wetin una fit take. Don't reach out. Anything una fit take from this video, una carry. Una make una choice is right.